How to get dark mode app icons on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your system settings by clicking on the Apple icon on the top left hand side corner, and here you get the option of system settings. Over here on the left hand side panel, you need to scroll down and click on this option of appearance. And over here in the section of icon and widget style, you would be able to find this option of dark and simply select it. As soon as you select it, you would see that app icons will turn to dark. You can select the always option or the auto option. The auto option will change according to the day or the night at your particular region, and this way it will change automatically, but always will be keeping the app icons dark in the dark mode all the time, and this way you would be able to do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.